So this is the Hyundai i20 SE spec, finished in silver metallic. It's 5-door, colour-coded door handles and wing mirrors, alloy wheels. Bodywork, paintwork and alloys are in good condition. Inside the vehicle, see your leather trim steering wheel, integrated controls, speed limiter, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity featuring voice command, in-car entertainment, DAB digital radio, CD player. The Bluetooth also allows you to stream music from your mobile device. Climate control there underneath. You also have USB charging point and auxiliary point. The interior's in lovely condition. Take a look in the rear. 3 seats, again in good condition. 2 of the seats have ISOFIX for children's car seats. This vehicle came to us in part exchange. Have colour-coded parking sensors at the rear. It's had just one owner from new. Full service history. The vehicle will also come with a service before leaving. Still have manufacturer's warranty on the vehicle also.